Good morning, everybody, and welcome to day one of our renovation vlog series. Special thank you to Epic for sending us this water filter because the first thing we needed to prioritize was making sure we had safe drinking water to drink while we're working on this house. So I picked out the Nano Dispenser 1. I specifically went on to see what the water in my neighborhood had in it, and I chose a water filter accordingly because I wanted to filter out specific things that were found in my local water. What's great about this filter is that it has a filter life of 3 to 4 months, and it has a little 90-day counter, and it counts down so you know exactly when to buy a new filter. It's also a 150-gallon filter, which I specifically really wanted because we drink a lot of water in this house. And I do have a coupon code down below if you would also like to check out an Epic water filter. So a special thank you to Epic for sending us this filter. So starting off day one, we really wanted to jump in, and I'm realizing I never introed and told you guys what we are doing. So we are starting by ripping up all of the floors in this house because we're going to be replacing them. So this footage is sped up, but believe it or not, all of this flooring came up in about 2 hours. So I hope you guys enjoy and just sit back and relax and watch us start renovating our new house. We got here at 10, it's 11:53. Did we get here at 10? Yeah.
About 2 hours.
2 hours, and we've got like all the floor ripped out. The only thing that's left is over here by the front door and like a little bit in the hallway. And then obviously the kitchen, but that's gonna be a little bit of a headache. And then the laundry room. We're gonna be taking these out today and just either taking them to the dump or storing them. Our dump closes at 3 p.m. so we're trying to get all the flooring out first. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
It's expensive. This faucet's about $700.
Wow. Perks
Feel how heavy it is.
of knowing a plumber. Oh my god.
I got it for free. And this is the head. It's a nice little, look at how nice it is.
Nice.
That's what the spout looks like.
Yeah.
And it's nice and small.
Can
And this is the
replace this one. Yeah, looks nice.
And that's what it's going to be like, yeah. And it matches everything else.
Yeah.
Black don't even match.
Yeah.
I've been trying to get rid of this for years.
Well, I'll take it.
That's why I've been holding on to it. I said, oh, someday she'll be wanting it.
So we actually are going to be switching out the pedestal sink because the faucet is just a mess. And the plumbing behind is also kind of messed up. So we're going to be replacing this. Toilet's all clean. Looks pretty good. We're just going to put a new toilet seat on.
Everything gets documented.
Everything is content.
Holy shit, you're funny. Wow. That's how you install a toilet seat that doesn't fit.
You just drill the holes bigger.
Yeah. That's it. You could tighten that on. You know how to do it. Just hold the nuts underneath and tighten it. You just need a screwdriver. Just got a Serpro shirt on. Good job.
The guy at the dealership stopped me and was telling me about how he used Surf Pro during Sandy, and he was like, oh, I love them, they're awesome. He goes, you work for them? I was like, no. Day one, all of the flooring has been ripped out. All the carpet is gone in this room. And we've got the hallway cleaned out. It's honestly helping a lot with the smell in here too. Like, it's smelling much cleaner now that the flooring is gone. Carpet and the carpet tacks are gone in this room. Little closet. You took the seat off. Oh no, that's the old seat.
It was in the tub.
Yeah. We got the flooring ripped out from here. So this flooring was glued down, so there's a little bit left. They might have to spend some time peeling that up. The washing machine, this is gross. It has water in it. Just stagnant water. And we honestly just missed this because we knew we were going to be replacing them anyways. So we didn't look inside them because we weren't interested in keeping them. So thankfully my dad has a water pump and we're going to pump the water out so we can move this. The vent we're actually going to be recessing into the wall. We were going to leave it, but I think we're just going to recess it into the wall. We have a lot of sheetrock projects that need to get done anyways, so we might as well just do them all at once. Kitchen floor is the last of the flooring that still needs to get ripped up just because we're gonna have to move all the appliances out. It's gonna be the most time consuming. All the floor is gone. All the floor.
Did you notice? No. Yeah. That's pretty good.
So these are all the floor samples. I think honestly we're leaning towards the lightest color here on the end, just because we really want to brighten this space up. I feel like that's the one that we're just going with our gut. This one is the most complementary, but it's pretty much the same color that was already in here. And it would be silly for us to just do the same thing that was already in here after ripping it all out. I think color-wise, the rest of them kind of just clash too much. This one is very, like, neutral. First, paint swatch. So this is essentially the color palette for out here. We got the wood floor, the wood walls, and then we're gonna paint the inside of the bookshelf and this whole exterior door and trim. This chilled wine color by Bear. So we're home now, and I'm not really sure what videos are come out exactly or how I'm gonna break them up, but we are officially ending our full day of work at the house. So today was Saturday. Yeah, first full day. We pretty much spent the whole of today ripping up the floor. So there is no floor, which honestly you did an amazing job.
Really?
Sans your middle finger.
It really only took us until about 2. And then we had to go pick up your car, and then we walked around Home Depot and looked at stuff, and then went back. Your dad did a couple things. He had to drain the washing machine because it filled up with water.
Yes, I showed clips. The washing machine filled up with water, and we don't really know when that happened because the power was shut off to the house for like 2 days when we had to like switch the power over to us. We checked it. I think my dad was the one that found it because he was like in the laundry room getting ready to move them, and he was like, "Why is this so heavy?" And he opened it up and it was
filled with water.
Full of water. So really not sure what happened there, but both of the units we drained them, and they're out in the sunroom now, and we got all the floors out except for in the kitchen. We still have to do the kitchen, but one day of work getting all the floors, and we even disposed of everything at the dump too.
There's like no junk on the floor. Like we cleaned it up too, and we still have to take the quarter round off.
We still have to do some
the old trim in some locations.
But we're gonna do a little bit of work tomorrow too, so I will probably start that as a new video, and yeah, from here on out, like, the videos are just gonna be what I can film. I'm not really trying that hard to like make these full dedicated like renovation videos, but I do want to film the process. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. It's a lot of time-lapse footage, but I tried to break it up a little bit. But yeah, we're tired, so we're gonna eat dinner now, but we will be back tomorrow, and tomorrow our floor guy is coming out to measure everything and give us a more finalized price. So hopefully the price. Oh yeah, and your grandma and your aunt are gonna come see the house. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of the renovation vlogs. Oh, hi Percy. And I will see you guys in my next video.